I'm back, bitches! And this is my fucking room tour. What is up, you guys? I know, it's been a long last time since I've recorded a video, or even done a video, actually, like sitting in my room and like planning out something. The last 2 videos that I've posted have just been like edits of like me going to Jamaica and then me being in Disney with one of my best friends. But that's pretty much it. I finished my first year of college. I'm moving to Orlando to go to film school, which I'm super excited about. But today I just wanted to like show you guys my room and how much it's changed. I don't know if you guys remember, but if you guys have followed me for a while, well, not followed me, but subscribed to me for a while, you guys would know that if I've ever filmed in my room, I'm not always filming this way, I'm filming that way. And you guys probably have seen that huge wall of pictures. All those are gone. All those pictures are gone. They are in a little bag. The pictures I wanted to take with me to Orlando are in a little bag, and all my memories and everything, they're in a little bag and getting packed up because I move to Orlando in September, and I'm so freaking excited. And I start school in October, and I'm so excited. I am so excited. So let's get this room tour started, shall we? Alright, so these are all my hats. Yes, I have a lot of hats. Let me show you all of them. So this is the famous wall most of my friends know about, because I know you guys are the only ones watching this video, LOL. But there used to be literally a huge, this whole wall was filled with just pictures of me and my friends. But now I took those down and replaced it with this. I painted this myself with good vibes only because some of those. Alright, so these are all my snow globes and my bobblehead that I made and painted. Fun fact, when I was younger, I used to be obsessed with frogs. LOL. But these are all my snow globes. They're super cute. These are my Build-A-Bears. I made that on a cruise when I was like 12. Like I said, I was obsessed with frogs. And also I made this with my grandma. It's a monster. I made it in the Disney store. LOL, don't ask. Here's more artwork. Molly, me and the girls, all of us on my graduation day and Celine's graduation day. More artwork. All of my beautiful accomplishments. Yes. Here is my Gen thing, I don't know. My TV, where I watch YouTube videos. Another cabinets. All of my stuffed animals that I've gotten throughout the years for Valentine's Day, because, you know, I keep those. Those are very special to me. My wall that just has like a few mirrors. This was given to me by Tory Burch herself when my mom was the manager. Yes, that is Tory Burch. She gave that to me, so it's my headboard. This is Chubbs. I don't know if you guys have met him, but this is Chubbs. This was the last stuffed animal that my grandma and grandpa gave to me. I had to beg for them to get it for me, but I got it. I always get my way. And he's like a 3-foot bear. I love him. He's wearing my grandma's tank top. This is Corvette. Molly made him for me. It has a bunch of cars on it because everybody knows I like cars. These are some decorative pillows. This is Froggy. I've had him ever since I was born, and I'm never going to get rid of him, so. This is where I do my makeup sometimes. These are my hair vitamins, some deodorant, some snacks, water, because, you know, I always need water, beads, and lanyards. My old permit. This is where I charge my phone and Apple Watch at night. This holds my phone. Oh, these are my car keys. This is my McLaren keychain. More shit. So I'm editing this video and I literally just realized that I didn't film an outro. So right now it is 10:17. I have work tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm not gonna promise that I'm gonna post every week like I used to. I'm gonna try to get back into a routine because I obviously want to do YouTube. Like, I want to, like, I don't want to have a career on YouTube. I mean, I'm a YouTuber. You know what I mean? But like, this is what I want to do with my life. Like, I want to make films. I want to produce my own films. So like, this is like technically me like starting out small. You know what I mean? Like, this is good practice. It's good for me to learn to edit. It's good for me to like get out of my comfort zone. Like, you're not gonna live forever. So obviously, this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I haven't done a lot of YouTube videos in a while, so this is definitely out of my comfort zone. But I just wanted to say, if you are still subscribed to me and you're still watching my videos, I love you so freaking much. And if you're new to my channel, I love you too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, I love you guys, and it's good to be back. It feels good to be back. And I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye. Get the fuck out of my way. Don't give a fuck, nigga. I just might go suicide. Give me a sack of my bag. Nigga running up on me is a mistake.